Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Geoffrey Gikud. In case you're new to our channel, kindly just hit the subscribe button. It will really help this channel to grow. So today I want to talk about this crypto wallet called Trust Wallet. We've been using it so far to hold our digital currencies, and many of our projects we've been actually referring to the crypto wallet, Trust Wallet. So I just want to take you through it, some of the features you need to know. As a beginner, the walkthrough on how to use this wallet, and you'll be able to see how to use it to interact with also the DeFi ecosystem. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I made a video about MetaMask, the Web 3.0 wallet that you can use, the Ethereum wallet. But now this video I want to talk about Trust Wallet, because I guess many people are familiar with this wallet. So there's some things that I just want to show you. If at all you know about them, or you don't know, still you can watch this video and get some information from this video. So what you need to do is just make sure you are in the official Trust Wallet site. You are getting the right wallet. So you need to go to trustwallet.com. Then you can install the app from Play Store, or you can get it from App Store. Just in their site, they will direct you to the right wallet. So trustwallet.com. Then you install your wallet. Once you've installed your wallet, you will now create an account, because it's a new account. It doesn't still hold any accounts there. So just create a new account, and then you'll just follow some procedures to create the account. They will give you some 12 words. Those are called recovery phrases or seed phrases. So you need to write those 12 words down and keep them safely. Guys, please write those words and keep them safely. Never lose them. Never put them into any phishing site, because with those ones, someone access them, they can actually get your funds. So when you create your app, it won't have much of this token. So maybe you'll have the Bitcoin, you'll have the Ethereum, and BNB and Smart Chain. I guess the only 4 of those that you'll be having. So this is the home page. You have the discovery, the dApps, the settings. So you can send crypto to anyone you need to send to. You can also receive. You can buy crypto from this same site. You can also swap tokens here. It offers the DEX. You can swap BNB, BIP2 to other BIP2 tokens. So in case you need to send tokens to someone or receive, just choose the token that you want to send or receive. Let's assume we check BTC. Just click it, and then you go to the send part, and then you have the address that you want to send to, and then you put the amount. It will read the value. So you can see it's reading the amount in dollar value, because mine was set to read the dollar. So always make sure that you have the right address. Triple check your address before you even click the send button, because if you miss anything on the address, all those funds will be lost and cannot be reverted. So that's it on how to send and receive. The same way, if you want to receive, just click receive. Don't autocopy the address. Why? Because you can we have different networks. Let's say like Ethereum. We have Ethereum in the ERC network. We have Ethereum in the Binance Smart Chain network. We have Ethereum on the FTM network, on the Avalanche, in many networks. So when you click receive, you need to make sure that you are going to deal with the right network. This one, just read here and says, send only Ethereum ETH to this address. Sending any other coins may result in permanent loss. So if you send something like Ethereum on the Binance Smart Chain network, using the Ethereum network, those funds can actually be lost. But the good thing about this wallet, it supports multi-network, so it can actually go to the right network automatically, because most of these networks, they always have the same address. But if you're now going to deal with a custodial wallet, let's say like the Coinbase, they don't have multi wallets, they don't have multi networks, so find that the same address, it doesn't support the BSC network, so those funds can actually be lost. So you need to make sure you are dealing with the right network. So here in the toggle option, this part here, now you can use to add tokens. You can search for tokens here. You can see a number of tokens. Here you can add this one that already shown to you. Let's see, like FTM, and we have the Algorand. Okay, another token that I do like, maybe let's say Soul. Let's just click those two. Then if you come back, then now they are added here. So this same feature, it enables you to add custom tokens. So let's say we have a token that you don't know. Okay, if you search it here, maybe you don't find it. Something like something I'm invested in, Drip. Yeah, so Drip, if you just search it, it says no asset found, but this token is there, it's out there, it's paying very hugely already. And if you want to get started with it, I have videos talking about Drip, the Mena farm, the animal farm, the Drip faucet, so you can check out those videos. The links, I've put them in the description below, so you can check out how to get started on Drip network and start earning passively. So what you need to do, go to CoinGecko and then search Drip, and then get the token address, the address for this token, the Drip. Once you get the contract address, you will now come here, and then maybe just put the token, that address, and then it will show you that it's not found. So just again, to go back in the no asset, then click add custom token. Then now this is the part that you need to look on keenly. It's telling us to, this is the network part, so just click there, make sure that you know the network that token is. So Drip is on the BSC network. So what we'll do, we go to with the smart chain. We have different networks that are actually the Trust Wallet supports. So just click the smart chain network, then the contract address that you had copied from CoinGecko is what you will now paste it here. So when you just paste there, it will automatically read that Drip token. But if it doesn't, make sure that you have the name and then the ticker symbol and then the decimals. So everything there, you'll get them from CoinGecko. Then also you can use BSC scan. So once in CoinGecko, you click and go to BSC scan and get every information that you need for this part. So also you can use the CMC CoinMarketCap to get those kind of information for the different custom networks that you want to add to your Trust Wallet. So here is a discover feature. If you just click here, you can now see on different things that are happening on the staking part, the DeFi tokens, the lending protocol, and the smart chain networks. So that's what the discovery part shows us. So on the DApp here, now you are able to interact with the DeFi projects. So they have a number of them, that the new dApps that they always put here, the DeFi, and there's the popular ones, the smart chain. So if at all you have one that you wanted to interact with and it's already added here, you can just click it and you are good to go. Let us assume something like PancakeSwap. I just click and they will automatically read the BSC network. So you can see it's already read BSC, so taking me to PancakeSwap. Now I can interact with PCS. So here you can trade. You can also the added limit trading, liquidity perpetual. You can also farm from this DEX. So that's it on the dApps. So if at all you have one that you want to just search, it's not there. So that is like the animal farm that I've talked about earlier. So you need to know the link, then you need to also know the network. So I search the animal.farm and connect. So if you want to get started with animal farm, video is below in the description. Check it out, learn about the animal farm, then you can actually use my link to get started to go to the animal farm. So here is the animal farm. For example, we have the farm, the pigs, the drip garden. So here is what we have already. It pays 3% daily ROI. So when you go to the settings part, this is now where you can now, if at all you have multi wallets, you can now change from one wallet to another. So you can see I have my main account, I have a different wallet, the wallet 2. So you can change from there by just clicking there. Then you can change the dark mode to the light mode, but I do like the dark mode. So you can now view the security part. Here is now where you can get your password, the lock, intermediate lock, and then other things to deal with security. So you have the push notifications, you can turn it on, turn it off, the preference. So under the preference now where you can now change your currency. So the USD, me being a Kenyan, I can actually change to Kenyan currency, the shilling. So you can see, I can now see that Bitcoin today is 5.3 million Kenyan shillings. That's very huge. I just wish I had one Bitcoin here, guys. Or can send me some Bitcoin. Kwani ni nini? Kwani ni nini? That's how we say it, Kenya. Kwani ni nini? So guys, you can change the currencies there, and then go back. I just love the USD. I love dealing with the USD, so I change it back to USD. Kwani nini? So price alerts, you can set price alerts for different crypto tokens, so that whenever it hit whatever value that you had set, it updates you. So these are their socials. A wallet connect enables you to connect your wallet with the different browser. Let's say like Chrome, Brave, Kiwi that I talked about. I talked about Kiwi and Yandex in another video. How you can connect with your phone using Chrome extensions, using those two browsers, Kiwi and Yandex. So if you want to learn about that one, check it out in our channel. It's really helpful video. So that's more about getting started with the Trust Wallet. So not much of diving deep into the crypto world, but just some basic thing that you need to know about Trust Wallet, the getting started part. So guys, I believe this video has really helped you to get started on Trust Wallet and familiarize with it, and now you can buy your first crypto and send it over to your Trust Wallet. So if you want to buy your first crypto, we have a Binance link in the description. You can sign up for Binance. Don't know how to use Binance, still our channel has a video talking about buying your first crypto. So you can buy your first crypto by watching our video on Binance. You can use our link to sign up for Binance and start buying your first crypto. Start interacting with DeFi. We have so many DeFi that we've talked about in this channel. So guys, just smash that like button, subscribe to our channel. We really have exclusive content to deal with the Web 3.0. We really love talking about crypto. Let me see you again when I have another project. Peace, guys.